What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up a new 2023 Hot Wheels. This is the brand new color of the Keychain car. It's called the Coupe Clip. This is made for your carabiner clip and you can just attach it to that. And I'll put a picture on screen of what my personal one looks like on my keychain. I don't have that with me right now, but I have this brand new 2023 color of it in gold and black. And I'm going to compare it to these two models from 2022 from Experimotors, number 2 of 5 and 23 of 250 for 2023. And you can see how it works right there. Very cool. These 2023s have a 2021 copyright. And let's get this open. Never leave any of these behind. I learned that the hard way and my friend tried to beat me up over it. I'm just kidding. But check that out. Look at that. Coupe Clip. These are all metal, no wheels. Very tiny, but definitely worth the money. These make great trade pieces and gifts. And even people that aren't really into Hot Wheels, they'll still enjoy something like this if they like cars in general. Nice. I love how it's all metal and then yeah, you can hear that there. Gold metal base and then a gloss black top there. There's a little bit of decal there. And then there's the Hot Wheels logo. That's where you hook it on right there. Very solid piece. And take a nice look at that. Front end. Looks like maybe it's based off a Corvette or something. You can tell them whatever you want. They'll see it in it. And so there you go. This is the first one that came out in 2022 D-Case. And it's hard to say 2022 was last year, but 2022 is last year's release. Check that out. That is the 2022 Coupe Clip. First one, and then whoop. This is the red one that came out in the J-Case. It's almost a Spectraflame red, and I want to say it's metallic, but it does look like it's Spectraflame, even though they don't put Spectraflame in the main line. This is as close as you can get to Spectraflame. It does almost look like Spectraflame. Really high quality paint on this, and then the base is black. Super cool, and I have another one of these in the package on my wall. Another one of these in the package on my wall as well. And then, oh yeah, I got all duplicates of all three of these. But I have yet another loose one for my personal keychain, which I already put on screen earlier. But yeah, guys, super excited for the subsequent models that they're going to make of this casting. Which one is your favorite so far? I don't know which one's my favorite. Probably red or the unpainted one. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Tell me if you found any of these. These are quite hard to find. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.